this video, Sky Champion will be taking us on a ride to check out the hottest trend in the motorcycle world, European sport bikes. These machines have taken over the scene in recent years, leaving their Japanese rivals in the dust. Stay tuned for this episode on
Power Moto now!
Power Moto!
Motorcycle riding. Stunts like you've never seen before. Beautiful models.
You fake YouTubers, it's on!
And I came to rock.
Power Moto!
It's on Power Moto, baby. Diavolo, he's doing it. Diavolo, Italian stallion. He's got the horses. Don't mess with them. There are a lot of Ducatis. Oh my God! Nice! It's on Power Moto! Let's go for a ride con la chica! Por favor! Yes, thank you! The guy! Euro bikes. Japanese bikes. Let's go for a ride on Power Moto! Subscribe today! Oh, bro, oh shit!
Check out these awesome European sport bikes and their competition, the Japanese motorcycle. But don't get me wrong, these bikes are all fast. However, the European sport bikes are the ones that have become all the rage. With their lightning fast response, quick shifters, and impressive TFT displays, these bikes are a force to be reckoned with. Just look at the lady rider on her awesome Aprilia 1100 Factory. She's tearing it up on the Miami streets, showing off the incredible capabilities of the European sport bikes. Go, lady riders! You guys rock on Power Moto! And what would be some reasons why someone would choose a Japanese sport bike over a European model? Great question. Japanese sport bikes are often more affordable than their European counterparts. This can make them a more attractive option for riders who are looking for a high-performance bike on a budget. Lady riders number one, yeah! Believe in the Sky Champion. Japanese sport bikes are also known for their reliability. They're designed to be ridden hard and often. They're known for holding up well over time. This can be especially appealing for riders who want a bike that they can rely on day in and day out. Additionally, Japanese sport bikes often have a wider range of aftermarket parts that are available. This can make it easier to customize and personalize the bike to your liking. There are more performance upgrades available, which can help you get even more out of your bike. Japan number one on Power Moto. Finally, Japanese sport bikes often have a strong racing heritage. Many of the top racing teams and riders in the world use Japanese bikes, and this can be a point of pride for riders who are passionate about the sport. All of these factors combine to make a Japanese sport bike a great choice for you as a rider who's looking for a high-performance bike that's reliable, affordable, and has a strong racing pedigree. Trust in the Sky Champion. Well, then you ask, why would someone choose a European sport bike over a Japanese one, Sky Champion? First and foremost, European sport bikes tend to offer a more refined riding experience. They offer smoother power delivery, more precise handling, and higher quality components overall. This can make them more enjoyable to ride for experienced motorcyclists who are looking for a bike that can keep up with their skills. Additionally, European sport bikes often have more advanced technology than their Japanese counterparts. This includes things like quick shifters, TFT displays, and advanced electronics. Rider aids like traction control and wheelie control. These features can help riders get the most out of their bike and stay safe while doing so. Finally, there's the style factor. So sexy! European sport bikes often have a distinct look that sets them apart from their Japanese bikes. Check out these gorgeous European motorcycles. Oh my God! They may feature more aggressive bodywork, unique color schemes, and other design elements that make them stand out on the road. All of these factors combine to make European sport bikes an appealing choice for riders who are looking for something special. If you're in the market for a new sport bike and you want the best possible riding experience, a European bike might just be what you're looking for. Trust in the Sky Champion. Subscribe today. Oh my God! And let's not forget about the stunts. These riders are pushing the limits of what's possible on two wheels. Whether European or Japanese bike aficionado? So which bike do you prefer? Let me know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.
Subscribe today.
Oh, thank you. All right, great job.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these 2 other similar videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out!